Today, let's have a look at this beautiful 1929 Ariel 250cc Sport. Well, welcome to Bader International, Bader Classic Auctions. Very happy to offer up this gorgeous 1929 Ariel. This is the 250cc Sport model. It is the overhead valve, dual exhaust port, single cylinder 250cc 4-stroke engine, running a cute little Ariel carburetor, BTH magneto, nice little Berman gearbox. It's the electric model, so it's running a little generator. Has a cute little Ariel carburetor. Classic muffler, fishtail type. A couple of little toolboxes on the back rack. Paint job is very nice. Speedometer shows 1 mile. Looks like it has a little bit of issue with the glass on the inside, so that's probably had to be pulled out and cleaned. Gorgeous headlight. Obviously this is a fully restored motorcycle. It was probably done some years ago. Has a little bit of what we'll call shop wear or shelf wear on it. Neat little straps to hold the front suspension in. (1929), that was probably the very first year for the front brake for these bikes, but I'm not exactly sure. I know in the US, 1928 was the very first year for front brakes. But on a lot of the designs, the British were ahead of us by a few years. Apparently the bike was part of the Vintage Motorcycle Club back in the day. Nice little pedestrian slicer. I'm sure some of our friends from overseas can tell us where this was from. SV6079. Let's see if we can have a look at the overhead valves. There you go. Pretty cool setup. L7624 is the engine number. The X side battery is just a shell. You put your smaller 6-volt in there to run it. And this is a Terry seat. This bike can make a great addition to any Ariel collection, any vintage motorcycle collection, any museum. If you wanted to take it out for a Sunday ride, I'm sure that the engine would be more than willing to do so. Obviously this bike's been on static display for some time, so it'll need a full going through before she's ready to ride. And this bike is also going to be going through our upcoming auction scheduled for mid-October of this year at BaderClassicAuctions.com. Make sure you go by the website, sign up if you haven't already. We have a number of other great motorcycles, tons of parts, all kinds of cool stuff going over the auction block, so make sure you check it out at Bader Classic Auctions. This motorcycle will also be featured on our Bader International website, so you can check out more information about it there. Well, thanks for watching. While you're up on YouTube, make sure you check out the rest of our videos. Please subscribe, and I hope you like what we're offering up here. Thank you.